Okay, so let me show you Nagi. Nagi is the bot I'm using inside Slack using OpenClaw. So I've already make the integration, and here's what I want to do. I want to ask Nagi. That's the cool thing about OpenClaw. It can do itself what it has to do, so we don't have to do manual stuff by ourselves. So I want to ask her, hey, I want you to create and save data. Save ID. No. I want to give you my video ideas and you save them into Airtable base. I want you also to edit this base. What do you need? So Nagi right now has to think and search, find what is needed, comes up, all right, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna share right here what it's asking me, and then even though for the API key, I know I can kill it, so it doesn't matter. I will name it Nagi, and the scopes are read records, write records, comment, read, write a comment, check my bases, create a new base, edit the structure of a base, like adding new fields or tables. So we need it. All right. And I'm going to add the base. I've already created the content base right here. So I'm going to connect it to content base, create a token. Perfect. Here is the token, and it has access into one unique base. Find it, or basically access it. And now Nagi will save this token into the tools files, into the skills it has. And for those who may are worried, Nagi is not running from my local machine. I'm using the DigitalOcean. It works like a server where this is hosted. And for LLM, I'm using Gemini Flash. I'm not on the Claude OpenAI. Okay, nice. Oh, they found the video ideas pretty stable. That's great. And I want to ask it to do some edits in here. First of all, I want you in table, what's named video ideas. Video ideas to have the following fields. So I want to have the field of video. No, concept story, which is a deeper description of the concept. What else do we want to have? Short video slash long video. Long video. And targeted audience. So before every entry, you have to ask me for those those details. And now, what's going to happen? We're going to have two actions in the background. The first action is Nagi will come here and start doing edits. Because we gave it on the lever right here, this schema basis right scope. So it has the ability to go and do it. And the second thing is this phrase here, which is before every entry, you have to ask me for those details. So it will update the tools and the background. Oh, nice. You see it? Created. Concept, story. All right. Target audience, but it didn't kill the extra fields. All right. Let me tell it to, I want you to delete the rest of fields we don't need. And with this phrase, the magic one, what happens is it creates the rule that every time before it goes and writes information into this database, it has to ask me for those details so she knows exactly the schema of the action. Now let's see here the deletion of those fields, the attachment, the status, attachment field. Those things have to be gone. Right? I'm really curious. I want to see it live. It is processing. Come on, Nagi. Up, delete 1, delete 2, delete 3. All right. Let's flag it. I've renamed. Then doesn't currently allow me to delete these fields directly from here, so you need to right click. All right, that's what happened. So just rename them. Okay, makes sense. I'm going to delete these fields. Right. Clear all records and add the new one, which is the concept is concept. How to connect OpenClaw with my digital brain. Story. Walkthrough. Connecting OpenClaw with my Neo4j knowledge base, because this is the database where my digital brain actually works. Knowledge base. The story is story walkthrough. Oops. How to connect digital OpenClaw, sorry, OpenClaw with BrainGraph. BrainGraph is the service I'm using to build my digital brain. All of my information lives right there. So, and then we have the video type has to be a long one. Long, and the target audience are business consultants who need an AI assistant. And by the way, this could be used from Telegram. This could be used also from WhatsApp. I prefer, for a couple of reasons, Slack, because I'm already on Slack and I like it. You saw that it deleted the previously existed records and gave me the new one. And let's see this record. OpenClaw. That's perfect. That's it. And it took us just one action. Now, in terms of security, what happens from the fact that I gave her the token, which is right here? First of all, I'm going to delete it right after the video. And secondly, what happens is that this information is saved into Slack server because I share it in here. For avoiding this step of sharing something so critical like codes and emails and sensitive data, you can use Telegram. Telegram is more secure because of the encryption. For some reasons, I do prefer to be here, and that was just an example to show you how you can ask a bot to do the hard work of configuration and connecting the two services, Airtable with Slack through this chat, which is incredible. Thanks for watching.